You searched how to buy shares of Diagnostic Medical Systems SA. Diagnostic Medical Systems SA makes diagnostic imaging and medical equipment and is listed on Euronext under the ticker ALDMS.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ALDMS.PA, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker ALDMS.PA to find the listing. Make sure the result shows Diagnostic Medical Systems SA so you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, Euronext listing, and ALDMS. PA ticker all match the company you intend to buy. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at the next market session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes and settles. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or follow the steps shown.